Well, hello. It's me, Alicia. I just wanted to come on and show you these beautiful slow stitch kits that I have. Hope you're doing all right, and I'm really excited about these kits. And I do have 5 of them, and I just wanted to show you what they look like, and they'll be in my Etsy shop. So I've put these together as for maybe beginners or even anyone who knows how to do it. It's kind of like a starter kit. And let me just open one up and show it to you. So they come with I've included some trim, fabric, some batting, and a base fabric. And I'll show you my idea for that. I will be actually working with this one, or actually I'm going to do the same kit that I have in my Etsy store, so you'll be able to see that. But I've put some eyelash trim in. I put some baker's twine. And the only difference between the kits is some of the baker's twine might be a different color, but most of it all is the same. Like this one has blue, this has a tan. Really, that's the only difference. They're all the same. And there's some gold threading there. Here is a beautiful piece of trim. And this one here, this is the gray, black and white variation. 2 pieces of lace. There's that one. And then I love this piece here. There's this one. And then I have a pink and white variation. This one. And then you have this one here. And we'll go ahead and look at this right here. I put a bag of goodies in there. Get you started with a needle, and I've covered the tip with some washi tape just for protection. And the size on that is, let's see, it's a Sew Krill Couture size T, I believe. It will fit the embroidery thread. Yes, it will. And then this beautiful piece here. And then I've included this embroidery thread on this little card. You've got a kind of an off-white, a red, and a black. And then here's the buttons. I would put a big button and a couple of different colors there. And some sequins. There's some butterflies. And actually there's quite a few butterflies in there. And then you get 2 pearls and some bulb pins. Which of course with this kit you can add anything that you have at home. You can, in your stash, you can add to this. This is kind of, like I said, a starter kit. It doesn't have everything you might want, but it'll get you going. Alright, so let me put these in here. And then I'll show you the fabric. I'm kind of excited to do one of these. Alright, so here is the fabrics. There's actually quite a bit of fabric pieces in here. They're all different sizes, but you get these. And of course, you know, on this, you won't have to use all of these pieces. These are going to be extra for you for your next project, because I don't think there's a way to fit every single design of this fabric onto the fabric, or you might be able to. But I wanted to give a variety, because you know, you can cut these and into shapes, or maybe cut them into hearts or designs. I personally like the ones that I've seen people cutting out little birds. They look like little chickadees. And I thought about doing that. And here's this one. There's this one. These. There's some pretty purple. This one has a little bit of gold in it, which I love. I love that piece. There's that one. This one. I like this one. It's kind of Southwest style. And then there's this one here. And there's this one. There's that one. And there's that one there. There's a regular piece of white cotton. That one. There's this one here. And that one, the brown, kind of a bandana look there. There's a more of a tropical. All right, and here is the batting that I've chosen to put in, because it's actually easy to work with, and it's easy for a needle to go through. So I chose this batting here for this fabric. And this fabric is kind of see-through in a way. So when you put it over the batting, it actually looks really nice. So let me show you what I put together to get started. Alright, so I took the batting and the cotton fabric, and I created this, and it's just a basic design with my sewing machine, so that I could maybe, let's say I want to cut this flower out and stitch that on, and then I want to maybe add something coordinating with it. Let's see what else. Maybe these pink stripes will go good. Maybe cut that a smaller piece into a heart, or maybe this one. And then maybe put that on there. Maybe a butterfly, or a button over here. Just some ideas that I'm thinking about. Maybe a pearl somewhere. I hope I'm in the frame. I really do. Here's this big button here. So just some ideas on what I was thinking and how to get started. Let's see. I really like this one. Could cut it in half and then use 2 pieces of that. Slow stitch it on. And then let's see what I have any. We have this one here. Or these. Anyway, that is just a little bit of ideas on what we can do. I'm pretty excited about starting. There's that. Let's see. Put this somewhere. And that's going to be fun. So, I hope you like this. And if you're interested, if you have not ever slow stitched or you're interested in it, you can pick these up in my Etsy shop. I'm going to have, like I said, I'll have 5 kits available. Should be getting them up tonight. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and share, subscribe, and I will see you very soon. I'll be back. Have a wonderful rest of your evening if you're watching in the evening, or a great day. Bye-bye.